Critical Library Mismatch Involving the SD Control Panel Module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Before we begin the walkthrough for SD Control Panel Module, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the SD Control Panel Module, the Windows Security and Maintenance Control Panel library. It manages the user interface for the Action Center and system-wide security notifications. If missing, the Security and Maintenance applet in the control panel will crash or remain blank, preventing users from viewing their firewall or antivirus status. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Firewall Control Panel DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing SD Control Panel Module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Installing an unverified version of Firewall Control Panel DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing SD Control Panel Module. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing SD Control Panel Module from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.